Hello, CS50. My name is George, and this is my final project for Harvard's CS50 Programming with Python. The title of my project is called CineWeather. What is CineWeather? Powered by Open Movie Database API and Open Mateo API, CineWeather is an app that enables users to easily search for movie and TV show titles by keyword, as well as look up the current weather by city. To get started, run the CineWeather app in your terminal by entering Python project py. Once the app is running, the user should see CineWeather in large print followed by the question, what would you like to search, a movie title or look up the weather? Type movie, weather, or quit. Let's start with a movie. The user then prompted to enter a movie keyword. Let's type in Potter. As you can see now, we have quite a few results. Holding down the Command key, users can click on a title's URL to access comprehensive details and trailer on the IMDb website about that specific title. Now let's switch gears and find the current weather. We first type weather to load the weather portion of the program, followed by a city name. Let's enter New York. As we can see, the current temperature in Celsius as well as the wind speed. Let's wrap things up for today and exit the program by entering quit. This was CS50 Python. You've just seen CineWeather, my final project for Harvard's CS50 Programming with Python. Thank you to everyone who followed my progress. Although my time with CS50 Python has come to an end, my work on this project and program in general will continue. So stay tuned for more updates. Once again, thank you. My name is George Trepp, and this was CS50 Programming with Python.